Hi guys, today we talk about how can you figure out the solution on how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, so you just go down here. You keep going down here, then you will find here general, you just click on it, then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on airplay and hand off, you just click on it. You come to next step here, then you come here to automatically airplay to tvs, just click on it. And here can you select if you want to add never or ask or automatic here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.